Biodit is a leading high-technology company that is specialized in development and production of state-of-the-art biometric systems. Having gained reputation for a reliable, solution-oriented partner, we pride ourselves on working with top international companies and research centers. Our most modern fingerprint scanners are certified by FBI, IAFIS and IUS, which allows us to satisfy the ever-increasing global needs and requirements in the security industry. Our system for fingerprint recognition is used in over 60 countries all over the globe in order to provide effective control of the admission process when entering a country. Biodit means innovation, comfort, design and a lot more. Before all, it means highest level of security, provided by our high-tech biometric system, no keys, no PIN codes, via only a single fingerprint. A lot more because you and your client's security always require a lot more. We have introduced a revolutionary new device on the market. Its innovative concept for providing security and service improves your client's effectiveness, ensuring a lot more convenient and safe way of free physical access in hotel rooms, offices, conference rooms, business centers, garages. Experience the comfort of free and absolutely secure access because we, Biodit's team of experts, are convinced that once you have come in contact with this technology, it will completely change the way you operate your business. Thanks to the collaborative efforts of research and development depth and the reputable design studio Ventura Created World, we have the opportunity to present you with a perfect balance between modern technology inventions and their most up-to-date design. Our key is wide range of materials, design models and colors, solutions for every furnishing, numerous variations particularly adapted for your business premises. With Biodit, the possibilities are endless. Hotel chains, business centers, hospitals, university centers and a lot more. You are your identity. Our solutions offer a world of no limitations, a world full of possibilities. The result is an offer that provides you with the best biometric technology on the market today. Biodit Alloc, Biodit Conic, Biodit Energy. Serious and flexible solutions that allow you to grow and develop and that by all means help you multiply your possibilities. All our solutions contain their own wireless technology without cables that is connected to a centralized control platform which allows real-time control and management via the internet from anywhere around the globe. Look into the future together with Biodit, because we complement each other. This is not an offer but a proposal for prosperity, comfort, security, design variations, better management and control of your business. Biodit is a comprehensive biometric solution, the global systems that you can trust.